Welcome to India Today So South. I'm Sarah Fazil. The Karnataka CM Siddaramaiah seems caught in an erupting political storm following the illegal allotment of sites worth Rs 4,000 crore under MUDA, Mysore Urban Development Authority, to his wife Parvati. What is the MUDA scam? The allegations raised by the opposition party BJP against Siddaramaiah allege that MUDA allotted developed sites to landowners in a 50-50 ratio, deviating from the usual 40-60 ratio where the government receives most of these sites. Now, this was in lieu of 3.16 acres of Siddaramaiah's wife Parvati's land used to form a layout in 1997. Additionally, the state BJP unit has also raised concerns about a Rs 180 crore scam within the Maharishi Valmiki Scheduled Tribes Development Corporation, which they claim led to the suicide of Account Superintendent P. Chandrasekharan. Now, the BJP, following these allegations against the Karnataka CM, took out a protest march earlier today to the CM's residence to lay siege to the Chief Minister's office cum residence, alleging rampant corruption by the Congress government. But they were detained. The leaders who were taken into preventive custody included the BJP State President B.Y. Vijayendra, Leader of Opposition in the Karnataka Assembly R. Ashok, and former ministers S. Sunil Kumar, Araga Jnanendra, S. Suresh Kumar, C.N. Ashwath Narayan, and C.T. Ravi, along with several MLAs and a large number of party workers. The heavy deployment of police personnel prevented the BJP leaders from reaching the CM's residence. Now, reacting to the corruption allegations of MUDA against Siddaramaiah, BJP State President B.Y. Vijayendra said that the allegations have been prima facie proven and that the probe into the scam needs to be done by the CBI only. Let's listen in.
3,400 ಕೋಟಿ ಹಗರಣ ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲದಾದ್ರೆ ಬೈರ್ತು ಸುರೇಶ್ ಅವರು ಒಂದೇ ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಮೈಸೂರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಸಚಿವರು ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಡತಗಳನ್ನು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಓಡಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಹಗರಣ ನಡೆದಿದೆ. ಇದು ಮೇಲ್ನೋಟಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇದು ಹಾಗೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಹಗರಣ ಇವತ್ತು ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ತನಿಖೆ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಸಿಬಿಐ ತನಿಖೆಗೆ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಒತ್ತಾಯಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸಿಬಿಐ ತನಿಖೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಿದೆ. 3,400 ಕೋಟಿ ಹಗರಣ ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲದಾದ್ರೆ ಬೈರ್ತು ಸುರೇಶ್ ಅವರು ಒಂದೇ ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಮೈಸೂರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಸಚಿವರು ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಡತಗಳನ್ನು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಓಡಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಹಗರಣ ನಡೆದಿದೆ. ಇದು ಮೇಲ್ನೋಟಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇದು ಹಾಗೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಹಗರಣ ಇವತ್ತು ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ತನಿಖೆ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಸಿಬಿಐ ತನಿಖೆಗೆ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಒತ್ತಾಯಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸಿಬಿಐ ತನಿಖೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಿದೆ. 3,400 ಕೋಟಿ ಹಗರಣ ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲದಾದ್ರೆ ಬೈರ್ತು ಸುರೇಶ್ ಅವರು ಒಂದೇ ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಮೈಸೂರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ.
BJP State President B.Y. Vijayendra clearly saying that it's a 4,000 rupees crore worth scam that Congress government has indulged in, and this stands proven given how the Minister for Urban Development Bhairathi Suresh within a day went to Mysore and transferred the officials involved in and brought back files pertaining to it. This scam is huge, he said, and it cannot be probed by the state government. We demand a CBI investigation into it, he said. Leader of Opposition R. Ashok, reacting to MUDA allegations, took to Platform X and called Siddaramaiah Golmaal CM, who's looting the state. And let me read out what he tweeted. He asked some pertinent questions. Golmaal CM Siddaramaiah Navare, how do you justify the transfer of land illegally in the name of his wife? You did not suspend the accused MUDA officers, you just transferred them and washed your hands. Who are you going to protect? Who gave permission for 50-50 ratio sharing? Who gave permission to give land as he wished without seeking the permission of the cabinet? In your home district, in your hometown, that is Mysuru, in the department of your close minister, is it possible for such a huge scandal to happen without their notice, without their hands? Is what he tweeted. R. Ashok also told India Today that the 4,000 crore scam is an example of Karnataka looting the Congress. Let's listen in.
And the second, MUDA in Mysore, CM constituency. That is 3,400 crores money. CM only involved this scandal. That's why this two scandal, big scandal, Brahmanda scandals in Karnataka. The Surjewala telling Karnataka is the model for All India Congress. This is the looted Congress. This is the model of All India Congress.
BJP leader C.T. Ravi attacked Siddaramaiah and said MUDA is not a small corruption but of approximately Rs 5,000 crore, and clearly the CM and his family are beneficiaries of it. Let's listen in.
सरकार आने के बाद दो काम हर दिन हर महीने कर रहा है. एक भ्रष्टाचार, दूसरा प्राइस राइजिंग. भ्रष्टाचार से किकबैक 100%. वो लोग को परसेंटेज में विश्वास नहीं है, 100% लूटने में विश्वास है. परसेंटेज के बारे में देखने वाला नहीं है, बहुत एक्सपीरियंसड है ना, बहुत एक्सपीरियंस होने के बाद परसेंटेज के बारे में नहीं देखता है, केवल 100% कैसा लूट सकता है ऐसा प्लान बना करके लूट लिया है।
So when did the Muda scam come to light? Krishna Raja BJP MLA T.S. Srivatsa was the first to flag Muda for the huge fraud in the allotment of sites. Apparently, 4,500 to 5,000 sites were allotted by flouting norms, causing losses. Following the irregularities, the BJP urged the state government to initiate an investigation in the Mysuru Urban Development Authority's distribution of plots under a 50-50 ratio. He emphasized the need for a thorough probe, possibly by special investigation team or a retired judge, and insisted that anyone found guilty, regardless of political affiliation, should face consequences. Srivatsa reported receiving several anonymous letters about Muda's malpractices, prompting him to file a complaint with the Chief Secretary and the Secretary of the Urban Development Department. Now, Karnataka CM Siddaramaiah alleged that the Muda compensated for a land that they took off his wife Parvati and that the allotment was made under the then BJP government. Let's listen in.
See, this particular piece of land is acquired, purchased by my brother-in-law, one Mallikarjuna. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಆ ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ, ಅವನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟರು ನನ್ನ ವೈಫು, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಈ ಅರಿಶಿನ ಕುಂಕುಮ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರ ಪಾಲ್ ಭಾಗ ಆದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ, ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಡೀಡ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ, ದಾನ ಕೊಟ್ಟ. ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಮೂಡಾದವರು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ದೇನೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ, ನಮ್ ಜಮೀನನ್ನ ಸೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಂಚ್ಬಿಟ್ರು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ನೀವು ಹೇಳೋದು ಸೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಂಚ್ಬಿಟ್ರು. ಹಂಚಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಜಮೀನೇ ಇಲ್ದಾಗಾಯ್ತು, ಮೂಡ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. ಅದು ಯಾರಿಗೋ ಹಂಚ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ಅವರು ಓನರ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರು. ನಮ್ಗೇನು ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಕಳ್ಕೊಬಿಡೋದ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೂಡಾದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೇಳೋದು, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 50-50 ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರು. ಅಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಜಮೀನಿಲ್ಲ, ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸಮಾನಾಂತರ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ಕಾನೂನು ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ತಪ್ಪದು? ಹಂಗ್ ಬರೀ
Is CM Siddaramaiah trying to wash his hands away from the scam? Now that is the question here, because he was clearly heard saying, I don't know who allotted this plots and why did they allot or when did they allot. Now moving ahead, Minister for Urban Development Bhairathi Suresh had convened a high-level emergency meeting and declared the cancellation of sites that are distributed under a 50-50 formula. Including the Muda Commissioner, 4 officers were transferred in connection with this scam. Now don't forget to comment below and tell us whether you think that the Karnataka CM Siddaramaiah and the allegations that he faces under Muda stand to be true. Is there any authenticity in what the BJP is claiming? Don't forget to tell us, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel by clicking on the bell icon. Keep watching India Today So South with me, Sarah Fazil.